Hey everyone. So I promised you uh swatches. So that's what we're going to do. Um I wanted the palette to have its own swatches. So this is what we're doing today. We're doing the top row first. Okay. So I hope everyone had a great weekend. A very great weekend. Okay. All right. So these are the swatches. This is the first row. All right. And the two in the middle are mattes. No, I think I got that wrong. Uh, there's one in the middle that's a matte. There's three shimmers on top. All right, this one is a shimmer. The brown is a shimmer, and then the green is, and the middle one here is a matte. All right, just a minute. And we will re-swatch the bottom. And then that will be all for this video, and all the information will be at the bottom. But now is definitely the time, if you'd like this palette, to get this palette while it's on sale. Alright, it's on sale for $10 on their site, and now is definitely the time to go get that while it's there. Alright, so I am not swatching these, but I could. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to re-swatch the bottom without primer, and then I'll swatch them again. So that was the top. Here's the second one. This is without primer. This is without primer. All right, without primer. And there are two mattes on the bottom. All right, here we go. So this is the bottom without primer. All right, this is a pink. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to put primer on my fingers, and then we'll look at them that way. So just a minute. All right, so this is the top row with primer. All right, with Milani primer. All right. And then I'm going to do the bottom row. All right, hold on a minute, I'll do the bottom row. All right, so now we are doing the bottom row. Swatching the bottom row, okay, with primer. So here we go. Here we go. All right. All right, so this middle one is a pink color. All right. All right, just a minute. Let me get some better swatches. All right. I swatched them better. This one is a pink, and it's a matte, so it's kind of light. But this is the way it looks on my finger right there. Okay. So these are the swatches for Major Love, Too Faced Major Love palette. All right, everyone. That is all for this video. You've seen the swatches fully, first hand and second hand. So I love all of you. Have a great day. All right. Just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and re-swatched the top line, top row of colors with primer so that you could see them really well. And if I already did this in this video, that's fine, but you just really need to see what you're getting. So, alright everyone, and with my fingers, so you can see how I swatch a lot, but I'm trying to do better so you can really see what they do. Alright everyone, I love you all. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Have a good one.